Welcome back to another crypto video. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hope you're all doing super well. Today we're going to look at Fantom, and we are super close to that 1,000 subscriber mark. Oh my god, I'm literally on the brink. I'm being teased. Can you please just hit that subscribe button whilst we are just on the topic? So please hit subscribe right now and we'll get into the video on Fantom. So yes, please, one like, one subscribe, that's all I ask. It costs you one little click of the finger, and I doubt you're going to get arthritis anytime soon. So let's do it. We're going to look at Fantom. Fantom, as you can see, we've got 5.85 billion still locked in, which looks really good. And you can see, you know, from June, July, August, this has been parabolic, astronomical gains, and the total value locked basically consists of all the liquidity pairs and all the staking pools that are locked in within the DeFi across all chains. So it's really good to see this. You can see rank 29, $2.88. We are climbing the ladder, 16.1% increase, market cap of 7.3 bazillion. Now that's crucial, because this is likely that we can see 20 billion. If you think about it, look at Polygon. And that's a 3x from here, so maybe $9 to $10 is a very pragmatic target on this occasion. But anyhow, 30 days we're up 67%, 2 weeks we're up 100%, 7 days we're up 30%, 24 hours we're up 16%. So this is just downtrend resistant. It really is a downtrend resistant project. And let's hop into those juicy charts, shall we? So first things first, I'm gonna say it. Well, actually, not really, but yesterday there was a bearish divergence here. Luckily, the bearish divergence has kind of played out now, so it doesn't look bad. But when we looked at this project a few weeks ago in December, we really identified this 1.4 to 1.10 range as a reaccumulation zone, just pulling up our Fibonacci retracement on this impulse. This is a key area of support, so that was a great entry level. Now, pulling up that Fibonacci extension, we are really battling that 0.786 now on the resistance side of things. We came through the 0.618, which is fantastic to see, just what we needed. And I suppose the next target is getting back to that previous all-time high. And once we do, that's when we can see the bigger prices like $4.89, which would then, I expect to see another retracement to the downside. Let's say we get up to that 4.8 level. That's when I think we'll come maybe retrace down to the previous all-time high at around $3.50 once we do get there, because that is when you would expect a bit of distribution, just like what occurred before. So we hop into that 4 hour. We can see we had our accumulation range, the supply zone with this cup shape, and really what's happening now is, you know, we broke out of this, we lost the support, we came down almost to the support target over there, and yeah, we basically rode some green candles. We all like riding attractive things. I mean, look at that, gorgeous. $2.67. Whoa, gorgeous. Yeah, bags are looking good right now, and we broke through that resistance there at 267. So if we hop into the hourly, this is where I'm kind of a bit like, well, we got this support, and we can also see lots of selling pressure, but more importantly, if we look at the daily time frame, we have a big doji style candle here, which demonstrates a lot of selling pressure, but equally a lot of buying pressure. So it's very important that we hold this particular level. We can see the RSI is kind of just dropping off. It's kind of losing momentum. And as for the volume, we're also losing a bit of volume. So are we going to see the RSI come down? Are we going to see a bit of a price drop? Well, it's very possible. This was almost like a bull flag here. And now we are rolling over from the top. And I know you don't like bearish posts. Nobody likes bearish posts. Everyone's want to hear great things, like, you know, things are going to the moon. But this is a bull flag. We played out nicely. But now we've got this kind of almost like a triple top. You know, it looks kind of, yeah, just sort of rolling over support. And that's what I'm thinking. It reminds me of Wyckoff distribution. You see that sort of rolling over. Not that it's a disaster, and if we did, you know, lose the support, I think we'd only come back down to this $2.62 range, which is not an emergency whatsoever. But if we do break to the upside of this particular pattern, which is really hard to kind of clarify what it is with all this volatility, then we're looking at the next big bull target off of this kind of bull pennant formation, and we'll be sailing to $3.20 after that. Just close to our 317 target over there. Just be aware that if we break to the upside, we are gonna see 320-ish. And of course, if we break to the downside, we're going to come back down and probably retest this 264 range, just because of that's where the previous swing low was. And I think that seems realistic for this particular project. Just to clarify that, it does also fall within our Fibonacci ranges at 0.5. That's where a lot of support would be. 259 would be at the 0.618. So it's looking pretty good, isn't it? Let's zoom out again, because it always feels nice when you just zoom out. Just check out, look at that. Would you just look at that? Oh, would you look at that, everybody? Smash that resistance, and now we're back through uptrending. So we just got to maintain this uptrend, hold this level of $2.84. If we can close this daily candle here at around this 284 level, I think there's a good chance we'll see a pump to the upside. So the conclusion here with Fantom is that we do need to hold this 281 to 86 range. As you can see, we're kind of falling back down at the moment, and if we lose the support here, that's when we come back down potentially to around 264 over here on the support. And then of course on the contrary, if we break to that upside, that's when we see 321 come. On the 30-minute time frame, the RSI is dipping. You can see this is just constantly coming down now. So do we have a bit of space for another final pump or two? It looks like it's bottomed out here, and it's just waiting for another little bit of buying pressure. So one bit of good news, one pump, one big investor, something crazy like that, and yeah, we are sailing to the moon together, boys. This is sick. So if you like the video, come on, just do it. Subscribe, like, watch the video to the end as well if you are in here in the future. That really helps. And of course, pardon me, massive thank you to the patrons Mub and Peter Alp. You have both really helped support the journey, and that really means a lot to me. So check out the Patreon page in the description if you want to become a patron for exclusive benefits. And that's about wrap for now. We're getting this rollover. Let's see if we can hold this 284 level. Otherwise we're going to see probably quite strong impulsive movement to the up or down side. I wouldn't expect it to be a slow paced thing. So cheers for checking out the video. Bye for now.